Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video on the latest SPAQ stock sensation, and of course, ironically, their ticker symbol is SPAQ. Now, I'm going to give you my take on this stock, as well as a couple other SPAQ stocks that haven't taken off yet, so stick around to the end so you can add them to your watch list. First off, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed and liked my videos. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch the videos and support the channel. And also, thank you so much for the comments. I really enjoy talking about the stock market and interacting with all you guys. Okay, first let me give you the rundown on SPAQ. Now, SPAQ's company name is Spartan Energy Acquisition Corporation. And according to Reuters, the news is they are the front runner in talks to purchase the electric vehicle company Fisker. If you're not familiar with the term SPAC company, all it stands for is Special Purpose Acquisition Company. And all it is a company with no commercial operations that is formed strictly to raise capital through an initial public offering, or IPO, for the purpose of acquiring an existing company. So this is basically just another group of people trying to capitalize on the electric vehicle craze started by Tesla right now. So be highly cautious about investing with them for the long term. Now, what's going on with these stocks is identical with the dot-com bubble, where anything associated with the internet exploded. If you weren't investing back then I highly recommend studying that area because history repeats itself. If you can find some charts, go back and flip through some charts of the late 90s and you will see what I mean. Back then, almost all the internet stocks flamed out and went bankrupt, so it's not going to be easy to find their charts, but there were huge opportunities for profits in the short run. You just don't want to be left without a chair when the music stops. So if you buy these stocks, don't hold them for the long term. Okay, so looking at the chart, you can see it soared 38% to a high of 1505 on huge volume and closed just pennies away from that at $14.99. So typically when you get a close near the high like that on a big day, you get follow through the next day, at least early on anyway. Now, can this go higher? I think this one definitely can because these stocks are in play right now, and Fisker has a big enough name to create some buzz. Now, I don't currently own any of this stock, but I might buy some on a pullback. If I do buy some, it'll only be for the very short term, and I'll probably only hold for about a week or so. Now, if I do decide to buy some, I'll make a video and let you know about it. I'll let you know where I bought in and what my target is. And if any of you guys already own it or have any other thoughts on SPAQ, let me know in the comments section. I'd love to hear some different opinions about it. Well, like I said before, I'm seeing a lot of activity in these acquisition stocks lately, and several of them have been popping up on my volume buzzing stock screen. Normally, I wouldn't mess around with these types of stocks because good information is pretty hard to come by. But if these are hot, I'm going to take a shot on a couple of them and ride the wave until it flames out. The first one is Pure Acquisition Corporation, ticker symbol PACQ. I couldn't find any decent news or information on Pure Acquisition, but if I do see anything interesting, I'll definitely make a video to let you know about it, as well as if I buy any of this stock. Now, the chart looks very similar to many of the other acquisition plays before they exploded higher, so you should definitely keep this one on your watch list in case this is the next big winner. If you know anything interesting about Pure Acquisition, please let me know about it in the comments section. The second one that's shown up on my screener a couple times lately is Big Rock Partners Acquisition Corporation. Ticker symbol BRPA. Now, this one hasn't shown up as much as Pure Acquisition, but it's still worth keeping an eye on in case activity picks up. But this still looks like one of the other acquisition plays that have done well, but this one looks a little early on in the making, but you never know. I'll continue to monitor it, and if anything changes, I'll let you know. And if you've heard anything about Big Rock, please leave that in the comments. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to give you a couple of stocks to watch that could be the next ones that are in play. Please like the video if you found it entertaining, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the next trading ideas I come across. Also, please don't hesitate to leave a question if you have one, and I'll do my best to answer it. I love talking stocks, so if you leave a question or a comment, you're actually doing me a favor. Well, thank you so much for watching the video, and until next time, take care, everybody.